Three prism of crown glass each have 9-degree angle of prism 9. Two of the prism flint glass are made to direct vision spectroscope. What will be the angle of flint prism if mu from flint glass is 1.6 and mu for crown glass is 1.53? Good, Sama. First time you are doing this type. How many prisms are used?
3.
3. And direct vision means no deviation. See, direct vision means net deviation 0. This point is new for you. Net deviation is 0. So we have got crown glass of 9-degree angle. Flint glass we have to find. Mu of flint, mu of crown are given as 1.6 and 1.53. Correct?
Yes, sir.
3 prism, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Net deviation should be flint. So 3 times delta of crown should balance 2 times delta of F. Again, I'm reading once. Three prism of crown glass. How many crown glass? 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 3 times deviation of crown glass and 2 of flint glass. So 2 times of flint glass. If they are equal and opposite, then only net will become 0. That's why it is 3 times delta of crown is 3 times delta of flint. What is delta formula? A into mu minus 1. Delta is A into mu minus 1. This is of crown, crown, flint, flint. Formula followed?
Yes, sir.
Now I think you can manage. So 3 times 1.53 minus 1 into 9 should be 2 times flint we want mu of flint 1.6 minus 0. 3 into 9, 27 into 0.53 upon 2 into 0.6 is A of flint. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 3 into 0.2, 3 into 9. A of Flint will become 9 threes are 27, 9 and 5 45 and 2 47 upon 0.4. So it will become 0.4, 4, 7, 7 into 10 raised to minus 2, 4 into 10 raised to minus 1, 4 into 11, 44. That means it will become 47.7 upon 4. So 11, remainder 337, 4 into 936. This is the answer. 11.9. 11.9, option A. Just write that first line is very important. Direct vision spectrometer means net deviation 0. Next week, any specific choice of yours?
सर सेमीकंडक्टर.
बेस्ट, मतलब मॉडर्न फिजिक्स करते हैं. मैं भी वही सोच रहा था कि ये भूल गए रहेंगे. मॉडर्न फिजिक्स ना, स्टार्टिंग विद सेमीकंडक्टर.
Yes,
परफेक्ट.
sir.
मस्त मस्त.
Done, sir.
Then you want 21 after this. In the measurement of angle of prism using spectrometer, the reading of reflected images are first vernier, second vernier, and those of second reflected image with first and this much. Then angle of prism are reading of first reflected image by first vernier, second, and those of second reflected image, then of the angle of prism will be how much? How many verniers are there?
2.
2 verniers, correct. Two verniers. In the measurement of angle of prism, there are first reflected image are 320. Reading of first reflected image are vernier 1 and vernier 2, and second reflected image are this. Angle of prism is how much? What is angle of prism? Is it A equals to R1 plus R2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So indirectly, I should get R1, R2 with that vernier. R1, R2. First vernier is 320 degree 40 minutes, and V2 is 140 degree 30 minutes. bi dash of second image is 80 degrees 38 minutes and 260 degrees and 24 minutes. First reflected image and second reflected image. First is this, first is this, second is this, second is this. 180 minus this will become 320 minus 40 of first, second image by the first is 80. 320 minus 80 will become theta 1. First theta will be V1 dash minus V1, the reflected image. Now the first one, 32, 320, V1 dash is 80 degree, 38 minute minus of 320 degree, 40 minutes. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, first reflected when it is 80, 38. This is minus 320. Then second wala will be V2 dash minus V2. 260. This is 80. 80 degrees, 38 minutes. Because there is one rule. If it is less than 180, that means it is 360 you have to add to this. ये आएगा ना एग्जाम में क्योंकि ये थ्योरी नहीं है आपका इसमें. So 360 plus 80 minus 320. If it is less than 180, we have to add on this 80. 360 to this. That means it is one cycle and then going to 80. 0 to 80. So when you subtract this, what is 360 plus 80?
440.
440 degrees, 38 minutes minus 320 degrees, 40 minutes. एक डिग्री कम कर लेता हूं. So if I take this as 339, add 60 minutes to this. What is 339 minus 320?
19.
19. नहीं 439 होगा ना, एक निकला तो 119 करेक्ट. 60 plus 38 is how much?
98.
98 minus 40, 58.
58.
तो ये हो गया पहला वाला रीडिंग विद वर्नियर कैलिपर. सेकेंड वन V2 dash 260 degrees 24 minutes minus 140 degrees 30 minutes. So here I have not added 360. Here I added 360 मतलब पहला वाला 330, उसके बाद 80 मतलब एक राउंड खत्म होने के बाद ना. हेलो, सी
Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
वन इज 320, उसके बाद 80 कैसा होएगा? दैट मींस एक राउंड खत्म होके देन दे आर टेलिंग 80, ये मीनिंग है. So this is nothing but 260 minus 24. So I can make it 259 and 84 minus 140, 30. This will become again how much? 119 into 54, correct? Hello? So from this mean angle, you will take average. 119 degree 58 minute plus 119 degree 54 minute divided by 2. This equals to 119 का average 119, 58 54 divided by 2 will become 112 divided by 2, so 56 minute. Then A equals to this angle total R mean divided by 2, that is 119 degree 56 minute divided by 2, because A is R by 2. R मतलब ये थीटा ही अपने लिए. So that will become 59 degrees 28 minutes. Totally new sum. Right, write down. But this won't come in the exam. खाली information के लिए रखो. First वाला 320, second वाला cannot be 80. It is 360 plus 80. So this is important point to be noted here. First vernier, second verniers, R1, R2 we have found, then its mean, and then R by 2.
Done, sir.
Then which one?
The 24.
24. 24th can be asked in the exam. A prism ABC of angle 30, डायग्राम में 60 दिया है.
Sir, 30 only we have to.
डायग्राम में 60 दे दिया है ना. A prism with 30 you are getting answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
A prism of angle 30 degree is silvered here, और ये लाइट इंसिडेंट किया इधर at 45 degree. This is 30. at face AB. Incident at 45 degree on face AB retraces its path after refraction at BC. Undergoes refraction, retraces path after refraction at face AB and reflection at face AC. The refractive index of the prism. मतलब इधर 90 डिग्री पे आ गया ना, ये मीनिंग ना, तभी रिट्रेस किया तो. So A is R1 plus R2. Therefore, A is 30 plus 0. A equal to 30. R1 equal to 30. Mu equals to sine I upon sine of R2, R1. Mu we have to calculate sine 45 upon sine 30. So mu equal to 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 upon root 2 equal to root 2. Root 2 नहीं है क्या आंसर? सी बराबर है, सी है. अनिकेत
Root 1.
हाँ root 2 only. Aniket, where you went wrong?
Sir, I took the prism angle as 60.
Okay. चलो after this which one?
So 33.
28.
28 ना?
हाँ सर.
28. रुको 28 फिर 33. 28 and then 33. Complete this first. When light of wavelength lambda is incident on equilateral prism, A is 60 degree, kept in minimum deviation position, it is found that angle of deviation is equal to prism itself. Minimum deviation, then angle of deviation is prism. Okay. If the refractive index of the material for the prism for wavelength lambda, the refractive index of the wavelength lambda is, the refractive index of the prism for wavelength lambda will be how much? Okay, ये तो बहुत easy है. क्या हो गया था इसमें? A plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine A by 2, sine of 60 plus 60, 120 upon 2 is 60, divided by 60 upon 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 30 half root 3. बराबर है ना शायद? 28 का बराबर. किधर रॉन्ग हो गया?
और मैं वो सेकंड लाइन नहीं पढ़ा. डेल्टा एम इज इक्वल्स टू ए इज इक्वल्स टू.
अच्छा वो मिस हो गया आपका.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. 33. 33 it has been asked in exam, very important sum. 33. A thin prism of angle 15 degree. Thin prism of angle 15 degree is made up of refractive index mu1 1.5 is combined with another prism of refractive index 1.75. Combination produce dispersion without deviation, मतलब no deviation वाला case. What is angle of second prism? No deviation. No deviation means what? Net is zero ना?
Yes, sir.
No deviation मतलब individual है, net is zero. So net deviation is zero. So deviation of first one is same as second. So A into mu1 minus 1 is A2 into mu2 minus 1. Now you can manage.
Yes.
Write this much and substitute. 15 degree 1.5 minus 1 is A2 1.75 minus 1. 15 into 0.5 equals to A2 into 0.75. So 15 into 5 is 75 upon 0.75 is A2. 10 equals to A2. 10. Hello? मैडम मुझे ना मैडम इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. आप नाम कट कर दो क्योंकि दिन में तो 5-6 डेवलपर्स के फोन आते रहते हैं. आफ्टर 33
डन।
अच्छा इतने इतने बोला था,
यस सर।
तो इसमें आपको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है। ये 9.7 वाला भी ट्राई करो, दिया है मैंने एक और पेज, डिस्पर्शन बाय प्रिज्म। हेलो, only 2 pages I have given,
यस सर।
only till 33 I have given।
Yes.
ठीक है, डिस्पर्शन थ्रू प्रिज्म भी करना है थोड़ा। This two तो at least you can start। Two lenses of focal length 10 and 15 when they are put in contact behave like convex lens, they will have zero। नहीं मत करो, ये aberration नहीं है अपने पास। नेक्स्ट वाला, when beam of light is used to determine position of object, maximum accuracy is achieved if the light is of what wavelength? Maximum accuracy is achieved when light is of what wavelength? Beam of light is used to position of object। Write note, for maximum accuracy wavelength should be short। Rainbow is due to what? Yes, rainbow is due to what?
Total internal reflection।
अभी मैं आप एक मिनट पहले भेजता हूँ, रुको पेपर वन पेज। Did you receive it?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो ऑप्शन क्या क्या दिया है। रेनबो इज ड्यू टू डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। ये सब एक जैसा ही है ना, मतलब सब फिनोमिनन होता है ना इसमें। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so which is first predominant one? Separation of color, correct?
Yes, sir.
तो डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट आंसर आएगा इसका। अगर वो नहीं होता तो फिनोमिनन अगर पूछते ना तो इट इज रिफ्रैक्शन एंड टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। इधर पहले वो कलर साथ होना तो जरूरी है ना, इससे करेक्ट ऑप्शन यू विल राइट ए। आफ्टर डिस्पर्शन गिवन देन आई विल राइट टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। ट्राई फोर्थ वन।
ऑलरेडी डन 10।
वी हैव डन फर्स्ट 10।
रिपीट हुआ है वो वाला।
सब रिपीट हो गया?
नो सर, ओनली फोर्थ हैज बीन रिपीटेड।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओनली फोर्थ रिपीटेड। ट्राई फिफ्थ देन।
सर ऑप्शन डी।
ऑप्शन डी, ये भी रिपीट हुआ है क्या?
नहीं, ये अभी किया।
अच्छा, एक बार मैंने एक शीट में दिया था. देन ट्राई टिल 10. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल. टेक 2 minutes. ट्राई टिल 10. लास्ट ईयर पूरा यही बुक में से आया था सब, प्रदीप में से. इजियर वाला प्रदीप का लास्ट टाइम पूछा था. टिल 10th आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. नीचे आंसर भी है, अगर मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो वी विल सॉल्व, मैच हो गया तो विल स्किप. Sixth one you are getting. Yes, completed till 10th. 10th one.
So seventh and eighth.
7th 8th you are doing.
Sir, I want you to, sir.
अच्छा 7th one देखो 8th तो एकदम सिंपल है. Which of the following represents deviation of light through prism? Third one will be correct representation.
So why not four?
फर्स्ट वाले में सेकंड सरफेस से होता ही नहीं है ना. इट इज ऑलवेज फ्रॉम फर्स्ट सरफेस और सेकंड में ऊपर जा रहा है. थर्ड फोर्थ का कंफ्यूजन था. व्हाई नॉट फोर्थ? ओके द रे ऑफ लाइट व्हाई नॉट. एक इसको रख करता हूं. व्हाई नॉट फोर्थ? फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड नहीं है वो तो समझ गया ना आपको.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज द ओरिजिनल पाथ. इन सेकेंड केस ओरिजिनल पाथ में ही जा रहा है ना. फोर्थ वाले में देखो ये रेड कलर ओरिजिनल पाथ पे ही है ना. इन डी दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. और इधर ओरिजिनल पाथ से नीचे आ गया ना ये दो, इसलिए पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, सी वाला आंसर.
Yes, sir.
अब ये 7th वाला देखते हैं. Which of the following diagram correctly shows correctly the dispersion of white light by a prism? Dispersion of white light by a prism. C and D तो गया. A और B. A भी गया बिकॉज साथ में मिल गया है उधर. तो ओनली B is possibility. See in A at one point it is going like this. It is not combining at a point, na?
Yes, sir.
So therefore B it should be, because from one surface it separates and then come out from other. So B. Ninth got? Ninth?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा समय वो 9th. 10th वाला?
The ninth one I didn't get.
9th one. Refractive index of crown glass for red, mu yellow, mu violet दिया है. And flint का ये crown. Mu red flint, mu yellow flint, mu violet flint are given. Dispersive power of crown and flint glass. Okay. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, आ सकता है ये वाला. 1.54140, 1.5170, 1.5318, 1.6434, 1.6499, 1.6852. Dispersive power of crown glass and flint glass. What is formula for dispersive power? Mu of violet minus mu of red upon mu yellow minus 1. Okay, this
Yes, sir.
formula
Look.
अभी तो आ जाएगा शायद. ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना है आपको.
Yes, sir.
If yellow is not given, then average minus 1. Tenth you all got? 10th. Hollow prism मतलब अंदर एयर ही है ना. सेम रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स वाला. So no dispersion, no deviation. A. 11th you all got? No, 11th you are not trying. 11 to 17 try. Then I'm starting with instrument after this. Which sum you are doing right now? Hello, 13th you got the answer? 13?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. खाली 17 तक करके रुक जाना, बाकी का आप घर पे ट्राई करना.
Done, sir.
Okay. Come to that optical instrument. I've sent you see question MTG physics champion wala 259. Focal length of objective and eyepiece of telescope. Focal length of objective and eyepiece of a telescope are 200 centimeter and 4 centimeter. What is length of telescope for normal adjustment? It is FO plus FP for normal adjustment. So 200 plus 4, 204 centimeter, option B. 260. Mirror works on reflection or refraction? Hello? Mirror works on reflection or refraction? Reflection.
Reflection.
Reflection means coming back to the same medium or going in other medium?
Coming back to the same medium.
Same medium is. So reflecting surface suffers with what? Reflecting surface suffers with no aberration or no limitation. खाली अगर एक मीडियम से दूसरा मीडियम में जाएगा like in prism, तो spherical due to construction आता है and chromatic due to refractive indices आता है. So nothing. D option. 261. All of you read and see anybody who has understood. Anybody has understood? NEET में आया है देखो page 2. A person can see clearly only when object lies between 50 and 400. मतलब दूर से दूर वाला ऑब्जेक्ट 400 को देख सकता है ना वो क्लियरली. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So in order to increase the maximum distance of distinct vision up to infinity, the type and power of correcting lens the person has to. Okay. So I can say maximum U उसको 400 दिखाई देने वाला है. मतलब इनडायरेक्टली 4 मीटर तक वो देख सकता है, बराबर. और उसको चाहिए डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन, मतलब इमेज इन्फिनिटी तक जाए तो भी चलेगा, तो क्या करेक्शन करेगा, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है ना ये। हेलो, देखो मैक्सिमम
Yes.
ऑब्जेक्ट 400 वाला है, तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंग्विशन उसको इन्फिनिटी पे चाहिए इमेज का, तो फोकल लेंथ क्या करेक्शन वाला डालेगा, 1/f is 1/v minus 1/u. So 1/f is 1/infinity minus 1/4. So 1/f is minus 1/4. So power is 1/f will become minus 1/4. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2.5 diopter. So it is concave lens of B option. B. $262. Astronomical telescope. This don't take FO plus FE because it is not normal adjustment. Astronomical telescope for objective and eyepiece of focal length 40 centimeter and 4 centimeter. To view an object 200 centimeter from objective, object 200 centimeter from the objective. The lens must be at what distance of separation? So V0 plus FE चाहिए अपने को. So from F0 U0, can we get V0? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And if both become same, then you can say F4 plus FE. Right now I cannot say because they have not given normal adjustment. So 1/FO is 1/V0 minus 1/U0. 1/40 equals to 1/V0 minus of 1/-200. That is 1/40 minus 1/200 is 1/V0. That will become 5 minus 1/200 equals to 1/V0. 4/200, 1/V0. V0 will become 50 centimeter. So this is not matching with F0. That means the object was not at very large distance. So length will be V0 50 plus FP4 54 centimeter. This sum is common mistake. Directly will take F4 plus FP for astronomical telescope. Not necessary. Done.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वाला भी थोड़ा अलग है. In an astronomical telescope, in normal adjustment, a straight black line of length L is drawn in the middle part of objective lens. Okay. So if this is objective lens, a line is drawn of length L. Eyepiece forms real image. So this is behaving like object. Eyepiece is forming real image of length I. Real image is always inverted of length I. Then magnification of telescope will be how much? Okay. Magnification of telescope. See, they have given normal adjustment. Normal adjustment means what is distance between these two? FO plus FE. For normal adjustment, distance between objective and eyepiece equals to FO plus FE. Now this is behaving like a lens which is going to produce the image. So my object is FO plus FE का distance पे, whose height is L. So minus image का distance we are not knowing, and focus is FV. So 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is 1 upon F. So 1 upon V is 1 upon U plus 1 upon F. So 1 upon V is 1 upon minus FO plus FP plus 1 upon F. Please copy this much. Now we know linear magnification is nothing but height of image upon object, that is V upon U. So this will become FV upon FO plus FV divided by FO upon U is FO plus FV in magnitude. ये cancel हो गया. So I by L is FV upon FO. Therefore FO upon FV is L by I. This is magnifying power. of telescope, L by I.
Done, sir.
Okay. So please try remaining sums. First, I will clear all this on Monday. And once this chapter is over, then I will start with semiconductor as suggested by Aryan. This sums you try.